Hello. Has this ever happened to you?
Oh boy, cereal time. Charles, give me another bowl of cereal, will you?
We're out of cereal.
What?
We're out.
No! Damn it! Why the hell is this happening to me?
No longer will you run out of cereal and be left to starve with new, horribly tasting oats! Horrible tasting oats! Horrible tasting oats! No longer will your cereal needs be left unturned, because one taste of this and you'll never want to eat cereal again. Let me demonstrate with my assistant.
Horrible tasting oats.
Aren't you supposed to mix that with water?
No. Don't be ridiculous. Okay, I wasn't expecting that to happen. Oh my god. Water! Oh my goodness! Hey, I'm not hungry anymore. I'm cured.
Just one bowl of horrible tasting oats in your entire life, and you'll never want to eat any cereal again.